Hey guys, Jim here, working on the Elsinore 500. So I think I got the front end almost done on this bike. After shortening the steering stem, that allowed me to modify this lower triple clamp with this piece right here. And what that's going to be is the lower front number plate mount. So the front number plate will mount here and down here. So what I did is I milled a radius into this piece of the triple clamp, machined up this guy, and then welded it in, and then smoothed it out to try and make it look like it grew there. And then I cut off the mounts that I didn't need. You can see this mount. I'm keeping that one there because I can use that for the hoop for the front brake cable. But I had a mount over here, and I cut it off, don't need it. And then there was a mount here and a mount here. So I cut all those mounts off, and there was still a dimple from where the hole that they put in from the factory protruded into the part of the triple clamp that I'm saving on all three spots. So I actually tried something new I just learned on YouTube, which is soldering aluminum. So I soldered in the dimple and smoothed it out. And the top two was more than just a dimple. Actually, a hole was left about 1/4 inch deep. So I filled it with the aluminum solder and then smoothed it out to try and make it look somewhat factory. And when the triple clamps are all done, they're going to get powder coated black because that's how the old Elsinores were. Then on the lower fork tubes, so I'm going to try and repair this wear line here, is with that aluminum solder. And forks, when I'm all done with them, these are going to get powder coated as well. So I'm thinking the aluminum solder is the best way to repair it. Then this had a mount that was here for a front disc guard. So I chopped that off and smoothed it out. Then over here, haven't smoothed it out yet, but this was a mount for the lower fork guard. You can see it's got a dimple there. That's a good example of what I had to fill on the triple clamps. So I'll be able to smooth that out, fill it in with the solder, and start prepping them for powder coat. That's about it. Talk to you later.